questions for CBSE class 10 board exams 2025. First topic from chapter real numbers. The proving of irrationality based question will be asked, which carries weightage of 3 marks. Second question based on word problem, which carries weightage of 2 marks. Third question in the form of MCQ based on relationship between HCF and LCM and product of two numbers. Second topic will be from chapter trigonometry. First question you can expect from this chapter will be from value table based question, which carries weightage of 2 marks, where you have to prove left hand side equals to right hand side. Second question you can expect from this chapter will be based on identity based question, which carries weightage of 3 marks. Third topic is from chapter quadratic equation. First question you can expect from this chapter is based on finding the value of k, where the question will be given real and equal roots and you need to calculate the value of k. Second question will be based on word problem, which carries weightage of 5 marks. Train, speed and general latent question can be asked from this chapter. Third topic is from chapter statistics, which carries weightage of 5 marks, where you need to calculate mean, median, mode and missing frequency based question can be asked from this chapter. Fifth topic will be asked from the chapter polynomials, where zeros will be given and you will be asked to find out the quadratic polynomial. 3 marker question can be expected from this topic, and 1 mark MCQ will be asked in the form of zeros will be given and you will be asked to find out the quadratic polynomial. Sixth topic will be from the chapter triangles, where application based question will be asked from BPT, and 4 marker question will be there in case study based question. Next last topic is from the chapter applications of trigonometry, where 5 marker question will be there, which will be a long base question. That will be in section D. For more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe.